welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Wealthsimple, Momo, and Questrade. So let's get right into it. Wealthsimple is perfect for beginners with an easy-to-use interface with automated investing options. It focuses more on robo-advisory, commission-free stock taking, and lacks advanced trading tools. On the other hand, if we talk about Momo, Momo is more feature-rich, offering advanced charting tools and real-time marketing data, making it ideal for active traders. It also provides detailed marketing analytics, option trading, and AI-powered insights, making it great for technical traders. Now, lastly, if we talk about Questrade, Questrade is a middle providing self-directed trading with user-friendly platform. It basically offers more of a stocks, ETFs, forex, and option, offering for more flexibility for serious investors. So, if we talk about pricing and fees, Questrade basically charges $4.95 per trade, but has a low-cost ETFs purchase and no annual fee. Momo, on the other hand, has no commission fee on a stock, but may charge fees for premium data. Wealthsimple offers a commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, but has a higher forex fee. So if you ask me which one is best, I'll say Wealthsimple is best for beginners and long-term investors. Momo, on the other hand, is best for serious investors looking for diverse investment options. And Questrade is basically for active traders who need advanced tools. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.